I'm going to show you how you can add your Facebook links to your online order page. So whenever we create for you an online order page or a website, and you want to bring over some information from your previous website or from your previous link, or let's say you just got a new Facebook link or Instagram or Yelp, you can bring that information over pretty easily. So let's start with Facebook. Here's Facebook right here. All I do is I put my mouse over it and I press copy link. Here's the new site, which has the online order menu. The images will be added soon, but for now we're trying to get the Facebook information to show up here. As you can see, it's already at the footer, but it doesn't take you to the right Facebook page. So we're gonna have to update that. So the way to do that is you log into the back end like this. Right now I'm gonna be logged in by pressing dashboard, which you do by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Next step, what you do is you press Divi right here, and there you'll see a bunch of options here. So what you want to do is you want to press theme options, and once you press theme options, if you scroll down, you'll see something called Facebook URL. So what you want to do is, if there's a pound sign, that means it's not set up correctly. So I'm going to paste my Facebook thing here. So you're probably wondering, how did I get this information? Well, I got it from the other site, but you can also get it from your Facebook. Let's say you want to know if that link is actually correct because you're not quite sure. Well, copy it into your browser and double check for yourself to make sure it is the right Facebook page, because you don't want your customers to go to somebody else's Facebook page. So this is correct because the business name is correct. So as you can see, I have added the Facebook page link to here. Now, next step is to add the Instagram. So I do the same thing. I copy the link, and then I go back here, and then I click on Instagram and I press paste. So now we have Facebook and Instagram. Typically restaurants don't have a Twitter, but if you do have one, you can add that here as well. But as you can see here, there's one other one that I noticed they have, and that is Yelp. So let's go ahead and do Yelp as well. So I'm gonna press copy link, and I'm gonna go over here and try to find Yelp. It should be here. So let's see, we have Facebook enabled, Instagram enabled, Twitter is disabled. Now we have to find Yelp. So that's gonna, let's see if it doesn't have a Yelp one here. Okay, we have that date format. Okay, so we don't have a Yelp here yet. Let's click on, let me save this first. At least we got the Instagram and Facebook here saved. And let's look through here. As you can see, there's a lot of options here. So feel free to check the stuff out, but make sure not to change stuff around if you're not familiar with it. So I have layout. Let's see here, integration. Okay, I do not see a one for Yelp here. So Yelp will have to be a custom added because it does not have it here. So let's take a look at some other places where it could be at, okay? This is obviously Twitter for sure, so I can't change that. Let's try going under Theme Customizer. And then when I go to Theme Customizer, I'm gonna go ahead and click on this link here. And then what you do here is almost similar to what I just did, but as you can see, it has something called a footer here. And it has footer menu. So if I scroll to the bottom here, I should be able to see the footer information here. Let's take a look if this makes it bigger. Okay, so that one doesn't control that. Let's go back to bottom bar. Okay, so I have that here. So since I'm here, oh, actually here's the social icons right here. Oh yeah, see how it got bigger? Look, if you look over here and see how I can make them bigger. So if you guys ever want to make those icons bigger, you can. So okay, so I have that information here. You know what, let's just do it a different way. Since I have this information here already, let's just add Twitter as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, press this button here, and then I'm going to mention, I'm gonna use this code right here. Sorry, not Twitter. Did I say Twitter? I meant Yelp. Okay. Okay, Yelp page. I don't need to buy. Okay. And then I have the link like that. So the code is as follows. You want to have this information. Let me just do that until the HTTPS. Okay, buy. Okay, so I'm going to do it until here, making sure it looks correct. Okay, so I have Yelp page right there. Okay, cool. So there's my Yelp page. So this is a little bit different way of doing it. There's other ways of doing it as well, but I have the Yelp page link right here. Let me just say visit our Yelp page. Okay, let me just put like let me put a separator here because I have a short code for this other space line, but let me see if I can like / this so it doesn't. Okay, so visit our Yelp page. There's still a period here. Okay, so anyhow, I have that. It looks like let me see if I have a bold mention here as well. It says a bit blank. Yes. Okay. So anyhow, here's the Yelp page. Here's the Facebook page. Here's the Instagram page. And then I have the. Let me add this at the end too, which is the ending of the link, so it knows it's a link. There we go. And then I'm going to press publish. While I'm here, I'm going to show you one other thing. It may not be important for some of you watching this video, but let's say you do have a logo and you're thinking, you know what, I love my logo, but I like to make it a little bit bigger. So you can do that. So you go to header navigation, and then you go to primary menu bar, and then here's the logo. See how it got bigger? So if you want to make your logo bigger, you can. So that's the other way to do it. So let me see what else I can show you guys here. Make page full width, or you can make it like that. Let's go to prime header format. Okay, I got that done. Menus. Okay, publish. Okay, now that I have all the stuff taken care of, let's go ahead and visit this site now. So remember how this link was wrong before? Let me go ahead and refresh the page here. I should be able to see those changes I made based on, I should see the Yelp and all that. Okay, so the Yelp is showing as a code. I'll fix that. Instagram and Facebook. Let's see what I could have done wrong by getting the Yelp to show incorrectly at the bottom of the footer here. So okay, let's take a look at this. Let's do it this way. I'm going to just copy this code here, the whole thing. Target. Oh, I see what I did. I forgot to put target on there. Okay, so that makes sense. Okay, so let's do it this way. I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna paste it here. I'm gonna say visit our Yelp page. It's always better to recycle code and use it again. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna copy the actual Yelp link right here, which is here. So I'm gonna just paste it here. Okay, and then I'm gonna press Command V, paste. I'm using a MacBook, by the way. So target, it should be Yelp page. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and publish it and just refresh the page. Let's see if we got it right this time. Okay, so we have this code here. We don't want that. I'm refreshing the page to make sure. There we go. It looks much better now. Let me go to the bottom of the page again. Visit our Yelp page. Okay, there it is, right there. Visit our, oh wait, it says Yelp page twice. Let's take care of that real quick. Okay, so in other words, I guess I don't need that then. Go like that, and then publish again. Okay. By the way, I'm sure there's many different ways of doing this. There's just one way of doing it. So here's how I did it. So here's, I'd put it like this: Yelp page, Facebook page, Instagram page. Okay. So anyhow, that's how you do that. Feel free to subscribe and like the video if you can. Appreciate that, and that way we can get you more videos so you can get these little tips and tricks on how to make your online order page better. By the way, last thing, if you don't have Facebook or Instagram, reach out to us. We usually have promotions where we can post for you on your Facebook, Instagram. That way you don't have to worry about that stuff. We can take care of it for you. Okay. We do offer social media marketing here. All right, that should do it for this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.